Hello and welcome to E! Now. I am Shreya Srivastava. From Aamir Khan finally speaking up over Sonam Wangchuk's health while clearing the air on the much-discussed Three Idiots connection 15 years after the movie was first released, to Bollywood's growing support for Wangchuk, Ranbir Kapoor's commitment to Ramayan, Sonakshi Sinha and Zahir Iqbal's love story, Vicky Kaushal's sweet surprise for Katrina Kaif, and Samantha Ruth Prabhu's new chapter in life. There's plenty of buzz coming your way, so let's get started. 20 days. It has been 20 days since Sonam Wangchuk's indefinite hunger strike to demand accountability and education reforms began at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. For weeks now, there was near absolute silence from the film industry, but in the last few days, many public figures have taken a humanitarian stand over the ongoing issue. First came Chatur's viral appeal. And now Aamir Khan has expressed concern over Wangchuk's health, not in India but in Melbourne, while completely distancing and denying that his popular character Rancho was inspired by Ladakh's own innovator Wangchuk at all, something audiences believed for 15 years. The actor has clarified that it is a misconception to believe Rancho was based on Sonam Wangchuk, saying the film and its characters were not directly inspired by him. In fact, Aamir has also contradicted Omi Vaidya, better known as Chatur, whose recent appeal referred to Wangchuk as the real-life Funsuk Wangru, saying Chatur is wrong on that count. While Aamir stressed that this clarification does not diminish the immense respect Wangchuk deserves, adding that one doesn't have to inspire a film character to be admired for real-life contributions. Interestingly, while Aamir has cleared the air on the Three Idiots connection, his ex-wife and filmmaker Kiran Rao has openly backed Wangchuk's ongoing protest, praising his commitment to education and urging the government to engage in dialogue. Take a look for yourself.
Aamir Khan has finally reacted to the ongoing discussion surrounding activist Sonam Wangchuk and the long-standing belief that his iconic Three Idiots character was inspired by the education reformer. The actor's clarification comes after his co-star Omi Vaidya, who played Chatur in the film, voiced support for Wangchuk during his hunger strike and sparked fresh debate online. Ever since Omi Vaidya shared an emotional video backing Sonam Wangchuk, fans began questioning why Aamir Khan and the rest of the Three Idiots team had remained silent. Many also believed that Aamir's character in the blockbuster film was based on Wangchuk. Now, the superstar has addressed the speculation once and for all. Speaking at the British Film Institute, Aamir was asked about Sonam Wangchuk and his ongoing hunger strike. Responding to the rumors, he said, "No, that's not true, actually. That is a misconception. I didn't know about Mr. Sonam Wangchuk at that time when we were doing the film. I know that. I saw a video of Chatur. Just recently he said that. No, he's wrong. Maybe that's what Chatur was thinking, but I want to tell you neither did Raju, nor Abhijat, nor I. We didn't know about Sonam." Aamir made it clear that neither director Rajkumar Hirani nor writer Abhijat Joshi knew Sonam Wangchuk while making Three Idiots. According to him, the popular belief connecting Wangchuk to the film's lead character is simply a misconception. This clarification comes just days after Omi Vaidya posted a heartfelt message saying, "I don't want Funsuk Wangru to die." His statement reignited conversations around Wangchuk's hunger strike and the film's connection with him. While denying the inspiration theory, Aamir also praised Wangchuk's contribution to society. He said, "However, what Mr. Sonam is doing is good work anyway. He doesn't need to be based on the character of Three Idiots for us to respect him and the work he's done." He further added that Wangchuk himself has clarified that the film's character was never based on him. "Just from the factual point of view, I wanted to clarify," said the actor. Aamir also expressed concern over Wangchuk's health and appealed to him to end his fast. He said, "Well, all of us are very concerned about his health and his life, and we hope that it ends well. All of us are hoping that he ends his fast and looks after himself." However, Aamir's remarks have received mixed reactions online. The Cockroach Janta Party, or CJP, called his response disappointing and very cold. Social media users are also divided, with some appreciating Aamir's honesty, while others expected stronger support from the actor. Meanwhile, several celebrities including Imran Khan, Aditi Rao Hydari, Sonakshi Sinha, Ayush Sharma, Fatima Sana Shet and Vivek Oberoi have also voiced their support for Sonam Wangchuk and expressed concern over his ongoing hunger strike.
Now, moving on from Aamir Khan's unexpected stance, more voices from Bollywood are also rallying behind Sonam Wangchuk as his indefinite hunger strike continues to spark a nationwide conversation. Joining the growing list of supporters are actors Fatima Sana Sheikh, Aditi Rao Hydari and Sonakshi Sinha, who have publicly expressed solidarity with Wangchuk and urged authorities to engage with his demands through dialogue. Their support adds to a wave of celebrity backing that has already seen names like Abhay Deol, Zeenat Aman, Soni Razdan, Kiran Rao and Shashi Tharoor speak out in favour of Wangchuk's peaceful protest. While the actor-activist debate over 3 idiots may have grabbed headlines, the spotlight is now firmly back on Wangchuk's larger cause, with more public figures using their platforms to amplify his message and call for a constructive resolution.
Environmentalist, innovator and education reformer Sonam Wangchuk's hunger strike has now turned into a nationwide conversation. As his fast enters its 18th day, more and more voices from the entertainment industry are coming forward to support him. After several prominent celebrities backed Wangchuk's movement, actors Sonakshi Sinha and Fatima Sana Sheikh have now joined the growing list, urging people to pay attention to his appeal. Well, his hunger strike has sparked a massive debate across the country, with several celebrities using their platforms to amplify his message. Over the past few days, well-known personalities including Shabana Azmi, Zeenat Aman, Prakash Raj, Chinmay Shripada, Veerdas, Omi Vaidya, Arundhati Roy, Nasiruddin Shah and Ratna Pathak Shah have all expressed solidarity with Wangchuk and urged people to stand with him. And now actress Sonakshi Sinha and Fatima Sana Sheikh have also extended their heartfelt support. Well, speaking from the heart, Sonakshi said, "I have never given a statement out like this, but आज ना मुझसे रहा नहीं जा रहा। सोनम वांगचुक हम सब इन्हें जानते हैं। हम जानते हैं कि इन्होंने हमारे देश के लिए क्या किया है, इनकी अचीवमेंट्स क्या है, इन्होंने कितने अवार्ड्स जीते हैं। आज वो 18 दिन से अनशन पर बैठे हैं, भूखे हैं, कुछ खाया नहीं है। ये किसके लिए बैठे हैं? ये उन बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए बैठे हैं जो उन्हें दिख रहा है कि बर्बादी की तरफ जा रहे हैं। ये उन बच्चों के लिए लड़ रहे हैं जिन्होंने अपनी जान खो दी। ये एक सिस्टम के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं जो सही तरीके से नहीं चल रहा। आप जानते हैं, मैं जानती हूँ, सब जानते हैं, हम सब उन्हें जानते हैं। वो हमें नहीं जानते, पर फिर भी इस देश के लिए, इस देश के बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए उन्होंने 18 दिन से खाना नहीं खाया है और बहुत सारे लोग चुप हैं, तो मुझसे तो नहीं रहा गया." Well, Sonakshi further said, "मैं अब चुप नहीं बैठ सकती." She said that Sonam Wangchuk is fighting this battle single-handedly with the Cockroach Janata Party and added that she is happy to see the youth of the country raising their voices in support.